One Spicy, how much me sleep around? Spicy, I don't know nothing about me. What do you mean by that? Do you take a little bit of man right now? I feel like me a virgin. Yeah. I think you come for be a champion. I never know say you come for be a champion. Because all me I say all of the female artists have to come together and reunite. Yeah, I start watch out my good. Yeah? Remember say I help you get free trade then I say you shouldn't have no problem for help nobody, you know. Yeah, remember Spice Cartel get a big song Ramping Shot, you sleep with him in the Ramping Shot, that's why Shot I like you. Remember say you're a thief, you know. Remember Sanja be around for beat you for your clothes away your thief, Spice. And these stuff you say what up with. Yeah? Spice, nobody put a problem, phone in peace. God away your thief. Remember being the man that come bust a secret on a back road. And you want to make business on light post. So leave me alone and go on, go get your thing together and see if you can work with some female artists and stop fight them. Come realize that you are fight the upcoming female artists them. Yeah. Through my talk, it's obvious. Through my talk, now you start to have some collab with some artists. I don't really feel like so them know say you never do collab with them, but think I make it look good on TV. Yeah. Here I was watching the show at the National Arena and say, yes, Spice, I come mash it up. Where do? Nothing, rubbish. And you talk about me now, Natalie. Remember, you first me give me CD, you tell me say my bad when I listen to my song with a pepper. Eh? Why don't I never come for talk about you? My peeps, want to go check out my new single, Wine Up. Yeah, on my Viva channel. Right now, it go on 1 week and 2 days and it get 200,000 views. Yes. And that me I talk about woman power me I talk about. I say big up all of the upcoming female artists and all of the female artists them out there where I get fight. Because I know some of them get fight. So big up on yourself for that me I talk about. Empowerment. Female power me I talk about. Yeah.